Property Owner Files, Season 5, Episode 1. Why more properties didn't make me happier. When scaling real estate backfired, the truth about owning more rentals is being a landlord really worth it? Seasons 1 through 4 showed what happens when ownership reacts, then stabilizes. Season 5 is about refinement, designing property ownership around life, not ego. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. Why more properties didn't make me happier. For a long time, I believed more properties meant more success, more doors, more leverage, more progress. So when opportunities appeared, I took them. What I didn't expect was this: more properties didn't bring more peace. They brought more decisions. Today's file isn't about scaling mistakes. It's about what scaling felt like, and why the number of properties stopped mattering once clarity did. Stay until the end, because this realization changed how I define success entirely. And if this helps you think more clearly about property ownership, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Why more feels like the goal. Real estate culture rewards growth. More units means momentum. Momentum looks like competence. Competence feels like safety. But growth is rarely questioned. No one asks, is this adding calm or complexity? I didn't either. I focused on accumulation instead of alignment. Still watching? This is where the cost appears. Part 2. The invisible cost of scaling. The cost wasn't just financial. It was cognitive. More properties meant more communication, more decisions, more mental overhead. Nothing was broken, but nothing felt settled. The stress wasn't dramatic. It was constant. And constant stress doesn't announce itself. It normalizes. Still watching? This is when clarity replaced ambition. Part 3. When success stopped feeling like success, I noticed something uncomfortable. The properties were working, but I wasn't enjoying ownership. That forced a hard question. What was the point of scaling if it reduced quality of life? Success without peace is fragile. Still watching? This is where everything changed. Part 4. How I redefined success. Success became simpler. Fewer decisions. Predictable income. Time regained. Not more properties, better ones. Systems made this possible. They showed me which properties deserved attention and which didn't. Part 5. The real lesson. More isn't wrong. Unexamined more is. Season 5 is about designing ownership intentionally, not reactively. In the next file, we talk about how I simplified without losing income. Scaling didn't fail. Clarity arrived. In the next file, we break down how simplification actually increased stability. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.